get this barrel here nice and cut, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just basically mocking this up for the cut. Because what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put this barrel assembly in the upper receiver and see how far the barrel sticks out. So to do this right, I'm gonna have to take this muzzle off, and that's real simple. All I gotta do is just take my little wrench right here, loosen up the set screw, and it should be clockwise. Up against there. And so then what I'm gonna do, now I'm going to push this pop-up unit forward as if the upper receiver was attached to the rest of the airsoft gun. While I'm pushing forward, I'm going to go ahead and mark where the barrel will end on the threaded end. The reason why I take that muzzle off is just in case somebody wants to put a tracer unit on this thing, the barrel won't impede on the tracer unit, because if the barrel's inside the tracer unit will not work. All right, we're gonna go to my lathe and cut this barrel. Recrown the barrel, and so this is what I use. I use this guy. I use this bevel edge right here to get a good, nice crowning of the end of the barrel. The crowning helps evenly distribute the air as the BB exits the barrel. I'm gonna deburr the corner here, and then I think we'll be good. Nice and clean. Okay, now let's see how she fits. All right, let's see. Right at the end, look at that. That's almost perfect. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Help the channel grow and allow me to make more content like this for you guys. See you on the next one.